Hey guys, my name is Captain Sanjit Christopher and welcome to another video. So I'm here at the Premium Plaza Mall lounge here in Delhi IGI Airport, and look how empty it has become. It is totally empty. Once upon a time it used to be hustling and bustling with people. Now it is totally empty. So this purpose of this video is to show you a few salient features which I noticed this time at the lounges both in Bombay and Delhi. Yeah, so the first thing I would like to mention is that the lounge is open. Bombay, Delhi, in all the places, almost all the places, lounges are open. Of course, you need when you swipe some cards, the entry into the lounge is free. Otherwise, you have to pay in the range of somewhere between 800 to 1200 rupees, depending on the lounge. Now, when you come in, the first thing that you really notice is that the staff is low. So the service is as not as good as before, but it is acceptable when you consider the situations presently. It is totally acceptable, and they are doing their best to make us feel comfortable. So that's the first thing. Now the second thing is look at this lounge. It's totally empty, and they have kept these cards here and there saying that it's sanitized, and on the card you see on the chair, it says that do not sit here. So they are following all the social distancing norms, which has been suggested by the government and the WHO. Now, other than that, one thing they told me is that my like I can only spend 2 hours in this lounge when I swipe a card. So what I did is I swiped two cards, which gave me two free entries, so I can sit here for 4 hours. That's how it works. So you cannot sit in the lounge more than 2 hours with a single card swipe. Uh, that is another thing. And one more thing is there are no buffets like before. So a picture will pop up showing what I ate. So they give you two options, and the whole buffet area is sealed. They give you two options: a non-veg platter or a veg platter, and I chose a non-veg platter, and this is what I got. But yeah, if you ask for more, you get more. You get cold drinks. It's decent food. It is clean. The bathrooms. Another point which I would like to put forward is that the bathrooms are clean, and the hand sanitizers and soap. The soap dispenser is full, uh, and they're continuously sanitizing the whole place. I think they're doing an excellent job in keeping these lounges running even at such a difficult time. Other than that, I don't see much. Of course, there are very less people because there are very less travelers anyway, and there are very less flights as well. Uh, Other than that, it's all good. The lounge will function soon in its full power. I hope aviation also starts to boost up as soon as possible. So fly safe, guys, and be safe. Take care, guys. Guys, bye bye.